Hey guys, what up? And today I will be tasting a blisterz mega sour gum stick, and the flavour's apple. If you dare. Right. And I've heard that these things are really sour. And I've got a bowl here just in case I need to spit out anything, because it is really sour. It even says there, mega sour. Right. So, let's go. So undo the packaging. Oh yeah. And also follow them on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. So let's open it. So I don't know which way you open it. And downstairs I also have another thing what I can do tomorrow. With another crazy thing. Right. So this is the packaging. Wait, I'm just moving forward a little. Right. Okay, so this is the packaging. Pretty neat. Rip it open. Oh, that smells apple. Really putting them. How do I get this thing out of here? Oh, it goes out. So now a little lick of this. It kind of looks like a candle too. A little bit sour.